I have 2 lace-leaf Japanese maples that are large and have been planted in my landscape for 20 years or so. In the past, they were lush, but over the past few years, the canopies have become increasingly thin. Fear this might be verticillium wilt from what I've seen on internet searches. Is there any hope for these trees, or should they be removed from the landscape? And this is Michael from Athens, Tennessee, Dr. Kelly. So verticillium wilt, lace leaf Japanese maple.
Yeah, I have a couple in my garden,
Okay.
and I would like to know if they're in sun or shade, because they do not like being in late afternoon full sun.
Okay. Okay.
Because you'll get all that scorch, and over time it does stress the plant, and then it will just gradually die back and just not look good.
Okay.
And the other thing is, I don't know if it's got verticillium or not.
Okay.
You know, you would need somebody like a county agent to come out and peel a little bark back and kind of look and see. I don't know, I mean, I think I would make just a judgment call on what the damage is, and they've been there for 20 years.
Yeah, 20 years.
Just, you know, do your good culture practices and make sure that it doesn't get stressed. And then if it doesn't rebound and continues to die back, that's when she can make a choice whether just to remove them.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think about that, Joellen?
Yeah, I would agree. And yeah, we don't know if it has a disease or not.
Right.
But obviously it is very unhappy.
Yeah.
But yeah, if she can't save what's there, and in the next season, you know, in the spring, fertilize and water it and see if it comes out anymore, then pick another plant for that area. And I might not go back with a maple tree.
Yeah, depending on where the sun shade kind of situation.
Yeah, because it could. She may have had she may have. Maybe it's too much water. Do they have an irrigation system? I mean, I don't. There's a whole lot of questions.
Yeah, there's a lot of questions.
Right.
I mean, she got 20 good years out of it.
I think
Maybe
that's
it's time to do something else.
Maybe it's time. Maybe it's time.
It's
20
very
years,
nice.
that's a long time.
It's a long time. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.